everyone. Example 18. The table below shows the time in minutes to complete each task. So use the Hungarian algorithm to allocate tasks so that the time is a minimum. So this all is the keyword that I need to highlight. Okay, so you need to allocate using the Hungarian algorithm. So first step, I change this table form into a matrix. So 250, 230, 230, 80, 90, 110. So after you change, okay, you do the first step, which is so-called the row reduction. I always write down the name of the following step that I need to do. So row reduction. So maybe the first step over here is you highlight which is the smallest number for each of the row. So this 80 is the lowest. Second row 90 is the lowest. Okay, the third one is 110 will be the lowest. So 250 minus 80, 170 and 0, and here 70. Second row 230 minus 90, 140, 0 and 50. Last row 230 minus 110, 120, 0 and 20. So this is my row reduction. Okay, I continue. I'm going to do the column reduction. Always remember after row do the column. So maybe I highlight each of the column which one is the lowest value. So lowest value 120. So and the second column all is 0, so I don't need to perform any column reductions. Third column is 20. Okay, 170 minus 120. So 50, 20 and 0. So middle column all is 0, so no need to minus. And the last column 70 minus 20, so 50, 30 and 0. Okay, so next step what you're going to do here is after the column reduction, you need to check number of line is the same as number of row or number of column. So you have 3 rows over here. So listen carefully, how are you going to find the number of line? So based on this metric, always ask yourself which column or row contain the most 0. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 0 over here. You want to cover all these 5 0. Okay, always ask yourself which column or row you contain the most 0. So maybe I choose column 2. I straight away draw one line, cover 3 0. Okay, how many 0 you left? 2 0 over here. So how is the way you are going to cover this 0? Maybe row 3, I draw another line to cover this 0. Okay, so what happened over here? You need to show this line. Of course, there's a many possible way. So number of line is only 2, where you have number of row is 3. So which is not the same? If not the same, so what you are going to do over here is I need to do the revision step. So I need to do revision step. I continue over here. So what is the revision step? So revision step, okay, from the previous metric over here, choose the smallest number which is not covered by the line. All this 0 is covered by the line. Choose the number which is not covered by the line and the smallest one, 20. So I write here, the minimum value is 20. I need to always remind myself 20. So revision step is number which is not covered by the line remain the same, 50, 20 remain the same, and this 0 covered by the line one time, you add 20. That's why you find the minimum value 20. And after that, column 2 is covered by the line one time, 20, and this 0 covered by the line 1 time, so you add 20. But this 0 covered by the line 1 and 2 times, so you need to add 2 times. 20 plus 20, 40. And after that, continue. 50 remain because it's not covered by a line. 30 remain, and this 0 covered by a line 1 time, you add 20. After you add, okay, you need to minus 20. All element minus 20. So you have 30, 0, 0, 0, 0, 20, 30, 10, 0. So this is the revision step. You plus and you minus. After you minus, you finish everything. Okay, continue. Find number of line. Is it same as number of row? So how many rows do you have? 1, 2, 3, 3 rows. How many circle? So how many 0 you have? You want to cover 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 0 you need to cover over here. Okay, we need to always ask yourself which column or row contain the most 0. So what I can see here, column 1, I contain 2 0. I straight away using 1 line to cover. So you left 1, 2, 3, 3, 0. So always ask yourself again, which column or row do you contain the most 0? Column 2. I can show another line to cover these 2 0. So how many 0 you left? 1. So how is the way you can cover the 0? Maybe I draw over here. So you see how many lines you have? 3 lines and 3 rows. So it's same. So once you have achieved number of lines same as number of rows, so that means you finish already. Then you can start doing your allocation. So my allocation 30, 0, 0, 0, 0, 20, 30, 10, and 0 over here. How I want to allocate. So always check which column or row only contain 1 0. So this row contain 1 0. So I always choose over here. That means I assign this person to this task. And after that, this column contain 1 0. So this person will be choosing this task. And no choice. The second row, this person only can do this task. So you write your solution. This is not considered your solution near this metric. You need to write out. So worker A will be assigned to task Y. And worker B will be assigned to task X. And worker C will be assigned to task Z. So this is the allocation. And if you want to check the time over here, okay, you can check the time. Task Y 80 plus task X, worker B 230 and Z 130. So all together is 440 minutes. So this is how to do for the Hungarian algorithm for example 18. So thank you so much for watching.